Warning, warning, this hands-on experiment contains super hot stuff like steam and flames. It's an experiment you cannot try at home, ever.
Hello everybody, today I'm here in the lab with junior scientist Noah.
Hello.
So, thank you for coming in today. So today, as our junior scientist, I thought we'd do an experiment that I love. This is the can crush. And we are going to use air to crush a can.
Okay.
Excellent. So, question for you to get started. What takes up more space, a liquid or a gas?
Gas.
Correct. Like, is that a trick question? Yeah, you're absolutely right. A gas takes up more space because those
Molecules.
You're right on this. The molecules are further apart, right? They've got more energy. So, we're going to fill up this can not with the gas air, but with the gas of steam. So let's start. We're going to add some water into the can here. About a tablespoon, 20 or 30 mils of water. And if we're going to convert this into steam, we're going to need some heat.
Safety goggles first.
I like your thoughts. Safety goggles. You're
I'm prepared.
Oh, yes. That is the best heat ever. Let's apply the heat.
Warning, warning. Noah is a trained junior scientist under trained scientist supervision. Do not, I repeat, do not try this at home, ever!
So we are now applying heat to those molecules, converting them water into steam. Oh, can we see there the steam coming out?
Yes, you can.
Okay, now this is going to be full of steam. I'm going to flip it upside down into the water and we'll see what happens. You ready?
Countdown first.
Oh, countdown like it. Actually, let's keep that heat going till the very end, I think. Okay, do you want to do the countdown for us?
Alrighty. 3, 2, 1, go.
Check this out. Look at that. We have completely flattened the can. Do you want to take that and have a look?
And melted the balloon.
And melted the balloon. The dangers of flamethrowers. So, what happened here? That steam that was inside the can, as soon as it touched the water, started to cool down and contract back into a liquid that takes up much less space. And because we had it upside down, the can was sealed, no extra air could get in. That meant we had lots of air on the outside pushing in, no air, a vacuum, no air, no steam on the inside pushing out. And so, flatten the can. So I think this is the best way to crush your cans for recycling. Mm-hmm. Maybe a little slower.
Don't need a can crusher.
Yeah, okay, sure, there's clever engineering like can crushers. That's probably why you're the junior scientist here today. You've got all the bright ideas. Thank you so much for coming in, Noah. Remember, if you want to watch this experiment and our junior scientist Noah again, head to our website as well as for lots more great hands-on experiments, and we will see you next time. Catch you later.
Bye.